Hello, everyone, and thank you for signing up to be a History Day judge. This program would not succeed without the dedication of our judges and their passion for history education. The purpose of this video is to review the rules for the paper category. There are general rules that apply for each category, but those will be covered during a training session or with another video. You can access the contest rulebook at nhd.org/how-enter-contest. Judges will receive directions for accessing projects and materials from their contest coordinator in the weeks leading up to the contest. A paper is a written format for presenting a historical argument, research, and interpretation of a student's topic significance in history. With the update of the new contest rulebook, which went into effect at the beginning of the 2020-2021 contest year, there are two significant changes for the paper category. First, the paper word count. Captions and words and footnotes or endnotes other than the citation now count towards the paper word limit. This is in addition to student-composed words and quoted material. Second, the process paper. A process paper is now required for papers. The title page must list both the process paper word count as well as the word count for the paper itself. For more information, please refer to page 23 of the contest rulebook. All papers will contain each of the following elements. They must be an original creation, meaning they cannot reuse research from a previous year. They must represent the student's historical research and analysis, making sure to include their student voice. They must be grammatically correct and conform to all general rules, including those surrounding citations and plagiarism. And finally, they must conform to the paper category-specific rules, which we will cover in this video. Let's take a look at the length requirements for papers. First, all papers must contain between 1,500 and 2,500 words. Remember, per the new rulebook, captions and words and footnotes or endnotes other than the citation now count towards the paper word limit. This is in addition to student-composed words and quoted material. Next, each word or number in the text of the paper counts as one word. Now, there are a few components that do not count towards the word limit. These include the title page, process paper, annotated bibliography, footnotes, endnotes, or integrated citations, or primary source materials and appendices. If relevant images, maps, graphs, or primary source materials are included, they must be placed in the appendices, referenced in the text of the paper, and cited in the annotated bibliography. However, use of appendices must be very limited. Here are a few examples of how to count words in the paper category. As you can see, dates and numbers, either written out or numerically, count as one word. Words such as a, the, and of count as one word each. Each word in a proper name, such as John Quincy Adams, is counted individually. Hyphenated words may count as one or two, depending on how it is used in the text. For more examples, please refer to Figure 3 on page 21 of the contest rulebook. Citations are used to credit the sources of specific ideas, as well as direct quotations. Students must use footnotes, endnotes, or internal documentation for their citations. Citations and bibliographic references must follow the most recent edition of one of the two permitted style guides. Either the Chicago Manual of Style, sometimes also called Turabium, by the University of Chicago Press, or the MLA Handbook by the Modern Languages Association of America. Regardless of which manual students use, the style must be consistent throughout all written materials. For examples of citations, please visit nhd.org/annotated bibliography. There are sets of preparation requirements that all students must follow, regardless of participating in an in-person or virtual contest. All students must submit their paper on plain, white, 8.5 by 11-inch paper. They must be double-sided in 12-point font and with 1-inch margins on all sides. Additionally, pages must be numbered consecutively and double-spaced. For in-person contests, students must print their paper following these specifications and bring it with them to their contest. Note, A4 paper will be accepted from international affiliates. Here is an example of a properly formatted paper. In this example, the paper uses footnotes and uses the Chicago Manual style for their citations. For a closer look, please refer to page 24 of the contest rulebook. For an in-person and virtual contest, students must combine their paperwork in the following order: title page, process paper, their paper entry, and their annotated bibliography. For in-person contests, students must also staple these materials in this order in the upper left corner or secure with a clip. Students should not enclose the paper in a report cover, folder, 3-ring binder, or the like. Again, thank you for signing up to be a History Day judge. If you have any questions about the rules presented in this video, please contact the coordinator of your contest. Thank you and happy History Day, everyone.